In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change the language on Xfinity. Whether you're setting up a new device or you just prefer navigating in another language, I'll walk you through changing both the on-screen menus and the audio you hear while watching a program. Start by picking up your Xfinity remote and pressing the Xfinity button right in the center. That opens the main menu along the left side of your screen. From there, look for the settings option. It appears with a small gear icon. Select settings, then go to preferences. Preferences is where Xfinity groups options that tailor how things look and feel, so it's the right place to adjust language. Inside preferences, choose language. Here you can update the menu and guide language to your preferred option. This controls the language used in your on-screen guide, settings, and navigation labels. Move through the list, highlight the language you want, and confirm your choice. In a moment, you should see the menus switch to the new language, making the entire interface easier to follow. If you're sharing the TV with others, it can be helpful to mention that this change affects the guide for everyone on that device. Now, if you're already watching a show and you want to change the audio language, for example, to switch between English and Spanish, press the A button on your remote. The A button opens helpful options and accessibility shortcuts. While you stay on the same channel, use it to select the audio language available for that program. Keep in mind, the audio options depend on what the channel or app provides, so you'll only see languages that are supported for that specific content. If you're using a voice remote, there's an even faster way. Simply hold the microphone button and say change language to, followed by the language you want. The voice command quickly switches without you having to navigate through multiple screens. Speak clearly and give it a second to apply. You'll see or hear the change right away. A quick tip: menu and guide language is a device-wide setting, while audio language can vary by channel, app, and program. If you switch channels and don't hear the language you expect, check the audio options again using the A button or repeat the voice command. And that's it. Your Xfinity language settings have been successfully updated. If you found this helpful, go ahead and make the switch now so your TV feels familiar every time you turn it on. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shows in the language you prefer.